The Sunshine Coast is a picturesque region located in British Columbia, Canada. The Langdale Ferry Terminal is one of the main gateways to the Sunshine Coast, serving as a connection point between the mainland and the coastal communities. The Langdale Ferry Terminal is situated in the community of Gibsons, which is approximately 40 kilometers northwest of Vancouver. It is easily accessible by road and is a popular starting point for exploring the Sunshine Coast's natural beauty and charming towns. Here is a description of the Langdale Ferry Terminal. Location: the terminal is located at 1014 to 1042 Port Mellon Highway, Gibsons, British Columbia. It is nestled along the coast, offering scenic views of the Strait of Georgia. Terminal building. The Langdale Terminal features a modern and well-equipped terminal building. Inside, you'll find various amenities and services for travelers, including ticket booths, waiting areas, washrooms, and a cafeteria. Parking. The terminal provides ample parking facilities for both short-term and long-term parking. If you plan to leave your vehicle behind while visiting the Sunshine Coast, you can find secure parking options within the terminal area. Waiting area. There is a designated waiting area for passengers before boarding the ferry. The waiting area is comfortable and offers seating, information boards, and sometimes vending machines or small shops where you can purchase snacks or beverages. Ferry services. BC Ferries operates the ferry service from Langdale to Horseshoe Bay in West Vancouver. The ferry journey takes approximately 40 minutes, providing stunning views of the coastline and surrounding islands. Outdoor spaces. The terminal area often includes outdoor spaces where passengers can enjoy the fresh air and beautiful views while waiting for the ferry. You might find benches, picnic tables, or scenic overlooks where you can relax and soak in the natural surroundings. Surrounding amenities. In the vicinity of the terminal, you'll find a range of amenities such as restaurants, cafes, shops, and accommodations. These amenities cater to both travelers and locals, providing convenience and options for dining or shopping. The Langdale Ferry Terminal serves as a gateway to the Sunshine Coast's natural beauty, including stunning landscapes, pristine beaches, hiking trails, and charming coastal communities. It provides a convenient and scenic transportation option for visitors and residents alike.